Title: Understanding Prepositions, Types and Usage, English Grammar Lecture by Richard English Academy. Description: Welcome to Richard English Academy's comprehensive lecture on prepositions. In this video, we'll dive into the world of prepositions, exploring their various types and how they are used in English grammar. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your grammar skills, this lecture will provide you with a solid understanding of prepositions and how to use them effectively in your writing and speech. Introduction. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about an essential aspect of English grammar: prepositions. Prepositions are words that establish relationships between different parts of a sentence. They tell us where something is when something happens, or how things are related to each other. Let's explore the different types of prepositions and how they function in English. Simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are the building blocks of prepositional phrases. They are short words that indicate location, time, direction, or possession. Examples include in, on, ot, by, with, and from. Examples: their book is on the table. She lives in the city. We'll meet at the park. Simple prepositions are versatile and commonly used in everyday language. Compound prepositions. Compound prepositions are formed by combining two or more words to create a single preposition. They often convey more specific relationships and can be slightly longer than simple prepositions. Examples include alongside, because of, instead of, and next to. Examples: they walked alongside the river. He left because of the rain. She chose tea instead of coffee. Compound prepositions add nuance and detail to your language. Phrasal prepositions. Phrasal prepositions consist of two or more words that function together as a single preposition. They are commonly used in English and can often be found in idiomatic expressions. Examples include on top of, in front of, next to, and out of. Examples: their keys are on top of the table. She stood in front of the mirror. They sat next to each other. Phrasal prepositions help describe relationships in a more specific manner. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now learned about the different types of prepositions in English grammar. By understanding how prepositions work and practicing their usage, you'll be able to communicate more effectively in both spoken and written English. Keep practicing, and soon prepositions will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English grammar lessons from Richard English Academy.